This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
I just want to add a quick tip specifically for games, but this is also maybe you can figure out how to apply this to non-games. And this is in your keywords, you can add the word multiplayer. And right away, whatever your other permutations of keywords are, if people type in like multiplayer racing game, multiplayer card game, puzzle game, if you have that, right away you're also going to be able to rank for those keywords. So that's an added benefit of extra discovery if you have, and then of course, because it's multiplayer, right away those people want to share the app, so you'll get not one but two or more downloads right away from each search, which it actually comes from the term multiplayer. That's like two or more downloads for you, right? Because they want more than one. So that's a great way to also to get a boost in downloads.